Today you will learn about the number one reason you can't find your true love and how to fix it. If you are struggling in finding your true love and you are wondering why you are not able to manifest or why you are going through one after another sad or difficult or negative relationships and why still things are not working and why you are not able to meet that true love or the one, then this video is for you. So this video will really help you if you are manifesting your soulmate or true love, or even if you are already in a relationship and things are not working really well, then this video will give you the idea and understanding what are the changes you need to do within yourself so that your relationship will become really magical. So this is the video many people are requesting, and this is for you to find your true love. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And so many of you were requesting, Eze, tell me how to manifest my soulmate or true love. And there are other videos I have made before on the step-by-step process, how to manifest your soulmate or how to manifest your true love. If you are yet to see that video, check the link here and watch that video after watching this one. Now, many of you are applying the tools, techniques and processes, or you are doing visualization, affirmation or other processes, but sometimes you are struggling and you are wondering why you are not able to manifest your true love, or you have manifested a relationship but things are not working well. So this video will help you. Now, first thing you need to understand, manifesting or finding your true love, it's not just about getting into a relationship because you are single or you are alone. It's first start from you. When you feel whole and complete, then you manifest another person who is equally whole and complete. So you are not there to fulfill each other's gap. You are there, two people, two full and complete and whole, two whole and complete persons coming together to create a really amazing relationship. That is what true love is all about, where positivity, love, joy, romance, everything started growing in a joyful way. It doesn't mean that you won't be facing challenges in life. It doesn't mean that you won't be going through difficult times. It means that when challenges or difficulties will come, both of you will stand together and face it and resolve it in a joyful way rather than fighting with each other, rather than going through negativities. So that is all about true love. So how can you manifest it? Or why can't you manifest it? Why can't most people are manifesting their true love? And the number one reason is lack of self-love. Yes, absolutely lack of self-love. That is why they are trying everything. They are focusing on the vision board, they are focusing on the visualization, they are focusing on everything. But even if they are manifesting, it's not a true love relationship, it's not a good relationship. Because why? They are lacking. That is why law of attraction is not just about what you are attracting. Law of attraction is you are manifesting who you are. You are manifesting who you are. It means if you are empty, if you are sad, if you are disturbed, if you are negative, you are manifesting a similar person, maybe negative or disturbed or emptiness in another way. And then things are going through difficult times and a lot of frictions are happening and things are not working. How can you make yourself whole, complete and powerful? By practicing and diving deep into your self-love. Now, all of you are aware about self-love, but the biggest challenge is most people start wondering, like, how can I feel more self-love? How can I cultivate self-love so that I can feel whole and complete? That is why this video is for you, because I'm not just going to give you the reason that, hey, it's the lack of self-love, and then you keep wondering like, yeah, I know it's lack of self-love, but how can I feel self-love? So that is why I'm going to give you 10 steps so that once you start practicing, your self-love will go higher and you start manifesting your true love. But before that, you need to remember number one thing. Self-love is not a destination, it's a journey. It's not a state that self-love, okay, you are here, lack of self-love, and you reach here full of self-love and it's done. It's not like that. Self-love is a journey. If you are here lacking self-love, it will get better slowly as you start getting better. And as you start flowing through a threshold, as you start feeling more and more self-loving, more joyful, more whole and complete, then you will manifest a person who will also be in the same journey. Then both of you evolve together while transforming your own self and creating a joyful experience. So here are the 10 steps that you are going to practice to evolve and practice and dive deep into self-love. If you wanted a video like this, or if you are waiting for this video, do let me know in the comment section, because this is going to solve everything. The first point to start practicing self-love is recognizing your accomplishments. Yes, most people who are lacking in self-love, they are too much focused on their weaknesses, their failures and their problems, that they forget their accomplishment. Yes, the number one way to focus on self-love is focus and recognize more of your accomplishment. Even you can start writing on a daily basis on your journal what all you have accomplished so far and what all you are accomplishing on a regular basis. The second is be kind to yourself. Yes, so many people are absolutely critical of themselves, and inside their head they keep criticizing themselves, they keep finding fault, they've become hard on themselves to try to be a perfectionist and try to do everything, and they keep hating themselves. When you keep hating yourself or keep criticizing yourself, you'll never feel self-love. And remember what kind of people you will attract into your life, who will be critical of you. They will keep telling you what's wrong in you, what's wrong in you, what's wrong in you. So that is why be kind to yourself. You may have some negativities, you may have some weaknesses. It's okay. It's okay. That's how when you be kind to yourself, you will go to the third point. Change what you can and improve. Yes, we are not here to be perfect. No human is perfect. Always remember that. None on earth. No one has ever been perfect. No one will ever be perfect. But what we can be awesome. We can recognize our own self, we can see our weaknesses, and then we can work. If something we can improvise, if something we can change, if something we can better on, if we can remove some weaknesses, we should be working on that. For whom? For ourselves, not for anyone else. We don't have to change for other people. When we start changing and improvising for ourselves, everything else will get aligned. So that is the third point. Whatever you can change, change. Whatever you can improve, improve. Fourth point, learn to trust yourself. Yes, this is the very important point. When you start trusting yourself, then you will enhance your intuitive power. You will know there are moments when you meet someone or you go on a date or someone is approaching you for a relationship, and your inner self is knowing that this person is not the right person. And when you feel like that, trust it. Don't go by their words. Trust that intuition, trust that idea, trust that gut feeling. When you start trusting, it will guide you more. That will enhance your faith and belief in yourself, and that will enhance your self-love. Fifth, go on a date with yourself. Yes, this is the most interesting part. So many people, they are waiting for other people or a partner to show up to go on a date. First, you start dating yourself. It means start going out, even if it alone. Go for a movie, go for a dinner, go for a lunch, go spend some good time. And feel happy, be happy with your own company, and that will enhance your self-love, that will enhance your energy, vibration and power, so that when you manifest someone, the other person will also feel the same way in your company. Sixth, have a vision and purpose for your life. Yes, that is the most interesting thing. There is nothing sexier than someone having a beautiful vision and a purpose in life. That's the most important thing, and it doesn't matter whether you are male, female. Having a vision or purpose will really make you attractive, make you feel great, make you feel amazing in your life, and it will most importantly give you a sense of purpose in living your life. Seventh, invest in yourself. That is the most important thing. Always remember, people who are highly successful, they invest in themselves. Many times people ask me like, AJ, how can I know that I love myself? Or how can I know that, or how can someone knows that they really love themselves? This is the only indicator. If you see how much a person invests in himself or herself, and invest in himself or herself means how this person invests in his or her own transformation and betterment, not just like buying some expensive stuff or buying some accessories or something like that. How a person is investing on everything in his or her physical, mental, emotional transformation, self-transformation, personal transformation, how a person is investing in his or her studies or education or different programs, courses, health, fitness, all these things, if a person is really investing in himself or herself or their betterment or transformation, they are really loving themselves. So start investing in yourself, and whatever way possible, maybe small way, start investing in yourself. Eighth point, start reprogramming your mind to be more self-loving, and one of the best way is to use affirmation, listen to self-love affirmation, practice self-love affirmation. And if you want to listen a powerful self-love affirmation, then I have made an amazing self-love affirmation. It is there on this YouTube channel. Check the link here. This video is your solution. Ninth, and this is where most people who are not in a relationship, they make this mistake. Stop looking for a partner or love all the time. Because if you are all the time thinking about, yes, you are manifesting your true love or soulmate, but if you are 24/7 thinking about it and thinking that you are alone or you are single or you are lonely and you need a partner, you need a partner to feel loved or fulfilling, then you are doing the biggest mistake. It's a big sign that you are lacking self-love and you are getting desperate. And when you get desperate, you always end up with the wrong person. That is why stop desperately looking 24/7. This doesn't mean that you should not look for a partner, but it should not be like 24/7 you should feel or think about it and you will be feeling empty because of not having a partner. You should keep working on yourself. Once in a while, when you feel like looking for a partner or being available in a place or being on some website or somewhere where there is a potential to meet someone or someone is approaching you, if you have a gut feeling, go out, see, explore. If it's fine, it's great. If it doesn't work, it's okay, move on and stay happy and joyful. And then you will, when you are in this full of energy, you will be attracting the person who is in the same vibration, and when both of you will come together, you will know, and then you know that it's the one. So this is a very important point. Now the 10th point, which is the most important and why many people are stuck. You have to heal yourself or heal your heart from your past. Remember, all of us has gone through past relationship and everyone has gone through some bitter relationship. If there is a single person on earth who will say that they have never gone through a relationship or a difficult relationship, then either they have never been through any relationship or they have been or they are lying. So everybody goes through some negative relationship at some point in time. But many people, they keep carrying that deep scar, they keep carrying that deep emotional experience inside them, and they never able to heal themselves. And that is why they never able to manifest a new and beautiful relationship. So that is of utmost importance. You have to let your heart get healed. You have to heal yourself. You have to let go. You have to release, remove everything and feel free so that you could able to manifest the new relationship. And if you're struggling in your past relationship or you are still carrying pain or suffering from your past relationship, then I would highly recommend you to join our powerful program, Heal Your Heart Meditation Program, which is a 21 days powerful meditation program where you will go through a powerful meditative process to heal your heart and let go and release all kind of emotional baggages and past negativities so that you could able to be in a state where you will feel free and you will manifest faster. So these are the 10 points. Once you start cultivating these 10 points, you may not be able to do all the 10 points from the beginning. It's absolutely fine. Start with 3, start with 4, start with 5, whatever possible. But focus that when you cultivate self-love, that's when you make yourself ready for manifesting true love. Self-love is the key to true love. That's the formula for you. If this video has inspired you, if this video has helped you, if this video has given you the solution that you are looking for, like it, comment, let me know how this video has helped you, share it with someone you love. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. If you are ready, you should join our Heal Your Heart meditation program. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Thank you.